The struggle and success story of Cris Gayle. Cris Gayle is one of the most famous cricketers in the world. He is known for hitting big sixes and scoring fast runs. He plays cricket for the West Indies. But his journey to success was not easy. He faced many struggles in his early life and career. This is the story of how Cris Gayle became a cricket superstar. Early life. Cris Gayle was born on September 21, 1979, in Kingston, Jamaica. He came from a poor family. His father, Dudley Gayle, was a policeman. His mother sold peanuts and snacks to support the family. Cris had 5 brothers and 1 sister. Life was very hard for them. Cris loved cricket from a young age. He started playing with his brothers in the streets. They used a bat made from wood and a ball made from cloth. They didn't have money to buy real cricket gear. But Cris did not give up. He kept playing with whatever he had. He went to Excelsior High School in Jamaica. But he was not very interested in studies. He only wanted to play cricket. Many people told him that cricket would not give him a good future. But Cris believed in himself. Joining Lucas Cricket Club. When Cris was 10 years old, he joined the Lucas Cricket Club. This was a big turning point in his life. The club helped him learn the real rules of cricket. He practiced every day. He worked very hard to improve his batting. There were many talented players in the club. But Cris stood out because of his powerful shots. He could hit the ball very far, even as a child. His coaches noticed his talent and supported him. Still, life was not easy. Sometimes Cris didn't have money to travel to practice. Sometimes he played without shoes. But he never lost hope. He kept working hard, hoping that one day he would play for the West Indies. Early career and struggles. In 1998, Cris Gayle was selected to play for the West Indies under-19 team. He played well and soon got a chance to play for the West Indies national team. He made his debut in 1999 against India. But his first few matches were not very good. Many people said he was not ready for international cricket. Cris felt sad, but he did not give up. He continued to practice and improve. In 2000, he scored his first ODI century against Kenya. After that, he started performing better. But he still had to face many problems. Health issues. In 2005, Cris Gayle suffered from a serious health problem. He had a heart condition called congenital heart defect. During a match, he felt pain in his chest and had to leave the field. Doctors said he needed surgery. Cris was very scared. He thought his cricket career was over. But he stayed strong and had the surgery. After resting for a few months, he returned to the field. His comeback was powerful. He started scoring many runs and proved that he was still one of the best. Criticism and controversies. Cris Gayle's career was also full of criticism. Many people said he only cared about hitting sixes. Some said he was lazy on the field. Others criticized his attitude and behavior. He was often seen as a party-loving person who didn't take the game seriously. In 2009, he made some comments that made headlines. He said that he did not enjoy Test cricket and preferred playing T20. This made many fans and former cricketers angry. They said he was disrespecting the game. But Cris had his own reasons. He came from a poor background. He wanted to earn money for his family. T20 cricket, especially leagues like IPL, gave him the chance to earn more in less time. He chose what was best for him and his loved ones. Struggles in IPL and comeback. In the Indian Premier League, IPL, Cris Gayle became a legend. But his start was not smooth. In 2011, no team bought him during the auction. He felt heartbroken. He thought maybe his career was ending. But then Royal Challengers Bangalore, RCB, signed him as a replacement player. This was his golden chance. In his first season with RCB, he scored over 600 runs. He hit many sixes and even scored a century. Fans started calling him the universe boss. In 2013, he made a world record by scoring 175 runs in just 66 balls. It was the highest individual score in T20 cricket. He hit 17 sixes in that match. This made him a global star. Personal life and struggles. Cris Gayle also had personal struggles. He faced problems with media and sponsors because of his bold personality. In 2016, during a live interview in Australia, he made comments to a female journalist that were called disrespectful. Many people criticized him. Some sponsors ended their contracts with him. Cris later apologized and said he did not mean to hurt anyone. He explained that he was joking, but it was taken the wrong way. Still, the incident affected his image. In his personal life, he is a family man. He has a daughter named Blush and a partner named Natasha. He loves spending time with them. They give him peace and support during tough times. Legacy and motivation. Even after so many ups and downs, Cris Gayle never gave up. He turned every struggle into strength. He used criticism as motivation. He worked hard and showed the world that background and problems don't matter if you have talent and determination. Today, Cris Gayle is respected all over the world. He has scored over 10,000 runs in T20 cricket, a record no one has broken yet. He has played in almost every T20 league in the world. He is also known for his fun personality and love for dancing. Young cricketers look up to him. He tells them to stay focused, believe in themselves, and never stop trying. He often says, "Don't think about the haters, just focus on your game." Conclusion. Cris Gayle's story teaches us many lessons. He showed that a poor boy from the streets of Jamaica can become a global cricket icon. He proved that hard work, belief, and passion can make dreams come true. He faced poverty, illness, criticism, and rejection. But he never gave up. He kept smiling, kept dancing, and kept hitting sixes. That is the true spirit of a champion. So, the next time you feel like giving up, remember Cris Gayle's story. If he can rise from nothing to everything, so can you.